Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to hide the sender name in Telegram story notifications using the latest updated settings. If you want more privacy or simply prefer a cleaner notification look, this quick adjustment will help you stay in control. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram gives a full control over how the app behaves, including your privacy and notification preferences. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section manages everything related to alerts, tones, and how notifications appear on your screen. Now, scroll down until you see the Stories option and tap on it. Telegram has recently introduced more customization options for story notifications, and this is where you can fine-tune them. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled Show Sender's Name. By default, this is turned on, which means Telegram displays who posted the story directly in your notification. To hide it, simply toggle off Show Sender's Name. That's it. From now on, when you receive story notifications, the sender's name will no longer be visible. This is especially useful if you want more privacy when using your phone in public or just prefer a minimal notification style. This small setting can make a big difference in how you manage your alerts and protect your privacy. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore more Telegram tips and updates so you can get the most out of the app.